Hello, friends. How are you all? So, let us continue with discussing the topic measuring the economy. In this video, we will discuss on how do we measure the growth rate. Okay, GDP growth. So, we will see here. Basically, growth means an increase over the past unit of time. That is a definition of growth. Growth means what? What is an increase over the previous year or previous quarter, previous month. So that is basically the growth. It can be month, it can be quarter, it can be year. We are comparing it with something in the past, right? That is growth. In India, GDP growth is measured every quarter on year basis. I have already explained to you the meaning of year on year. What is the meaning? It means that the quarter 1 of 2022 will be compared with quarter 1 of 2021. Okay, we will see this growth over 1 year, but of quarters. Quarter 2 will be compared with quarter 2 of 2021. Quarter 3 of 2022 will be compared with quarter 3 of 2021, and quarter 4 of 2022 will be compared with quarter 4 of 2021, like this. So this is known as quarterly. So this is known as year on year basis growth rate, annual growth rate. These are annual growth rate because we are comparing it 1 year before, the same period 1 year before. Annual growth rate for different quarters. Okay, this is what this means. So growth rate for quarter 1, that is Q1 of 2022, will be calculated as GDP of quarter 1 of 22 minus GDP of quarter 1 of 21 divided by GDP of quarter 1 of 21. Okay, so this will remain the base because we are calculating it with respect to quarter 1 of 2021. That is how we calculate the growth rate always. So basically, say for example, in any growth rate that you want to calculate, for example, say a student. Okay, so the student, his marks in history in class 8 was say 70. Okay, now his marks in history in class 9 is say becomes 80. Okay, so growth rate will be calculated as, growth rate in history marks will be calculated as 80 minus 70 divided by 70. Okay, so we take the same denominator which is used against which we are calculating the growth rate. This is known as year on year growth. Now quarter on quarter growth, why it is not called quarter on quarter growth? See, we are looking at the quarters, then why it is not called quarter on quarter? Quarter on quarter would be 2021 quarter 2 compared against 2021 quarter 1, the previous quarter itself of the same year. Okay, this 3 months is compared to the previous 3 months, like that. So how it would be? It will be GDP of say quarter 2 of 22 minus GDP of quarter 1 of 22 divided by GDP of quarter 1 of 22. This will be the quarterly growth. Now why do we not look at the QOQ growth rate? Okay, why we don't look at it? Again, because of the seasonality. It may happen that one quarter may be high economic activity, another quarter low economic activity because of the seasonal fluctuation. So it is a kind of misrepresentation of economy. It will give you a misrepresentation of economy. That's why we look at the same period of the previous year. So year on year comparison is always the best. Now growth rate in India is nominal GDP, current year prices is called nominal growth rate. Okay, growth rate which is of the nominal GDP is known as nominal growth rate. Okay, you must have heard or read this terminology in newspaper, nominal growth rate. So what is the meaning of nominal growth rate? Nominal growth rate meaning the growth rate of nominal GDP. We have already seen that nominal growth could be because of either increase in volume of production. So nominal growth is what? Nominal growth is growth in quantity multiplied by growth in quantity of this year multiplied by growth in price of the same year. So basically the nominal growth could be because of either increase in production volume or increase in prices. Okay, there are two factors. But when we want to see the real growth, okay, when we want to see the actual physical growth, we just look at how much is the growth in the volume of production. Okay, so we just look at the volume of production, therefore we subtract this increase in prices from the nominal growth rate. So real GDP growth rate is nominal GDP growth rate minus growth rate in prices. Now what is growth rate in prices? Growth rate is in prices is nothing but inflation, right? Growth rate in prices is nothing but inflation. So real GDP growth rate is roughly equal to, okay, this is not strict formula, it is roughly, it is approximately equal to nominal growth rate minus inflation. For example, if your nominal growth rate is 12% and your inflation is 5%, so your real GDP growth rate will be 12% minus 5%, 7%. Okay, simple thing. This is roughly how you look at it. Or alternatively, real GDP growth rate, okay, real GDP growth rate will be equal to, if we directly have the numbers of real GDP, so just like we calculate the nominal GDP here, see nominal GDP growth rate we have directly seen this here. It will be equal to nominal GDP in quarter 1 of 22 minus nominal GDP in quarter 1 of 21 divided by nominal GDP in quarter 1 of 21. So similarly, if we have the real GDP data also, so we directly can assess that by looking at the real GDP of quarter 1 of 2022 minus real GDP of quarter 1 of 2021 divided by real GDP of quarter 1 of 2021. If we directly have this number, and we get this number directly by the MOSPI, okay, NSO, National Statistics Organization of MOSPI directly gives the real GDP number. So we also get this real GDP growth rate from here. So these are the different ways in which we calculate the growth. We look at the growth, okay, IMF, World Bank, and even RBI use these formulas only to calculate the growth rate of any economy. In the next video, we'll continue discussing measuring the economy even further. Thank you.